In a peaceful village nestled between hills and rivers lived a kind old man. Every morning, he would walk down the dusty path to the river, carrying 2 large pots tied to a wooden pole across his shoulders. He'd fill both pots from the river and carry them back up to his home. But one of those pots had a crack, and every day, as the man walked back, the cracked pot leaked water, drip by drip. By the time he reached home, the cracked pot had leaked half its water. And this happened every single day. One morning, the cracked pot finally spoke. "I'm sorry," it said. "I failed you. I spill half the water every time. You work so hard, and I can't even do my job properly. I'm useless. You carry me for nothing." The old man paused, smiled, and said, "Tomorrow, I want you to notice the path we take home." So the pot did, and what it saw surprised it. On its side of the path, there were flowers, bright, beautiful flowers, swaying in the breeze. The old man chuckled. "You see those flowers? I planted seeds there. I knew about your crack, so I planted flower seeds on your side of the path. And every day, you watered them without even knowing. Thanks to your crack, that path became beautiful. Because of you, I've been able to pick fresh flowers every morning to decorate the temple. They bring joy to everyone. You didn't fail me. You did more than you realize." The pot was quiet for a moment, then smiled. It hadn't been useless after all. It had spent all this time believing it was useless, broken, and less than perfect. But in truth, it had quietly been creating beauty along the way, just by being what it was. It had served a quiet purpose, one that only someone paying close attention could see. Since that day, the pot never apologized again. It walked the same path proudly, dripping water, knowing it was helping life bloom. It embraced its flaw, knowing that even in its imperfection, it had a purpose. You don't have to be flawless to make an impact. You may feel broken at times. Maybe you've made mistakes. Maybe you don't feel as good as others. But what if your cracks are exactly how you are meant to water the world around you? You don't have to be perfect to make a difference. We all have imperfections, but often it's through those very cracks that light gets in and love flows out. Remember this, even cracked pots water flowers. If this story gave you something to think about, or maybe just made you smile, consider subscribing. I share simple stories like this one to remind you that you matter, just as you are. And hey, if you know someone who's feeling a little cracked lately, maybe share this with them. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care, and don't forget to water the flowers along your path. Let's grow together, one story at a time.